Hi, um, this module I'm going to show that how Jupyter technology works and it saves your time in terms of giving you access to review your digital diagnostic report anywhere, anytime and prescribe the medicines. All right. So we recommend to, you can leave your clinic or hospital probably 30 to 40 minutes early, whatever traffic time, commutation time is to home. And then you can sit, relax in your back seat. And in your tab, you can access and click onto the test basket. So if you click onto the test basket, then, your all the previously seen patient's diagnostic reports are visible out here. So let's say and that is in the red color if it is unattended and not seen yet. And as soon as you see it, the color changes. So let's say on top there is a one patient custody, and there I want to see the report and prescribe the medicine. So I click onto the action button, and as I click onto the action button, so I can see that her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that reports are there, but those are the old. So what has been given by me, the recent one will be on the top. So I'm clicking onto the this HB1C report. So once I click over there, I will see that this report in HL7, Kasturi is having a cough and cold and high fever, and she has also has been, the diabetic patient. So this is the way we have to treat for this ailment. All right. So this refreshes my memory that what the last patient has a problem, and then I can correlate easily with my report in front of me. So there are numerical values out there, but then what I do that I want to see that if she has carried out the similar kind of a test into the past, then how these reports trends are going whether upward and downward. So that gives me a complete analytics. And there is a choice of the selection of the range also, that probably that it is for the 1 week or 1 month or 1 year. I'll be able to see that through the trend analysis. So this is the, you can see the customized range are there. And if you do not, Kasturi is having a cough. All right. So here I can see that she had in January 6.3 HB1C reading, and in April it is 4.8. So she's on to the reducing HB1C recovery path. This is a good news for her. So I've seen that. Now I am going to back, and then I will be prescribing the medicine. So this medicine can be prescribed out from here. So I will click onto the prescription, and then let's say earlier I had given, I'm changing the medicine to the crocin because he has a fever and cough and cold. So when I put a crocin, there is a prompts are coming, the different kind of a crocin. Let's say I'm giving a crocin 500 mg. So this has been selected, and now I will give it a type is of course the tablet, and we have to give it, let's say she has to take after meal and morning, afternoon and evening. It's a daily dose, and then I click onto the generate prescription. So when I click into the generate prescription, the digitally signed e-prescription is generated, and that goes and heads to the patient app. Kasturi and that goes and hits to the patient app, and also goes to your mapped pharmacy if you have any tie-up with any pharmacy. So the patient can straightway take the medicine, or it can be delivered by that mapped pharmacy. Or if you like to do a tie-up with the Jifitech, then it goes to in-house Jifitech pharmacy, and the performa invoice goes to the patient app. And the patient, if this is okay, then the medicine is delivered within a 2 to 3 hours at the home. By clicking onto the back, you are again back to your test basket and see the other patients and the cycle. So by the time you reach home, your all the patients, the diagnostic report has been viewed, and a medicine prescription has been generated. So that's a smart use of your commission time, and that commission time you can utilize either to generate a more revenue for yourself, and or by seeing the more patient, or you can have a more time for family life. So this is amazing tool, and I hope you like that, and this will really bring a value in your business by boosting your revenue or getting more time for your family life. Thank you very much for your attention.